guys, so the shit show that you're watching here is actually me waterproofing around the perimeter of the mud job that I did. I really want to make sure that that water that does come through, that it just gets funneled down to the drain into the weep holes if it does get behind the tile. And also I'm giving strength to all those corners there. So I'm going to go around the perimeter as you can see here, and then I'm going to work on my curve. I want to make sure that all those screws get covered, and I use a 6-inch fiber, it's like a roll that I go over that. And then as you can see in the middle, I also waterproof the middle of it, but I do leave the weep holes open. So follow and let's see me close this job out. I'm sick of it. All right, so we're getting ready to tile a shower pan. The first thing I do is lay everything out dry to make sure that there isn't any weird bumps or anything like that. And I also just mark my tile where I gotta make all the cuts so I can make the cuts. I chose to make the cuts down on this side because when you're looking into the shower from here, I wanna have that nice, clean edge on that side. Then also we cut out our drain, and we cut it out big so that, you can do that after. So that's why we kind of went with the bigger size right now. And then, so I'm gonna pre-cut all these, get everything lined up, and then do my 1/8-inch trowel and get everything set. So let's go. Hey guys, one of the must-have tools when you're setting your square mosaic is a 12-inch compounding knife. It's really nice because you can grab an entire row of tile and then pull it to where you want it. So like here, I'm about to grab all of the entire sheet and pull to where I want it. There. And it's much easier than trying to do one row at a time, and you can really line those up. All right, let's do another one. See, pull the entire sheet here. I'm not pulling at the end because I don't want it to come off, but see, then you can really square those guys off. And it's just the right application here. See that? And then after that, really bang. All right, so our 2x2 floor is in. Came out really nice. I'm happy with it. So we got that in today. We got this door in today, and then Alex got to hang some sheetrock. This was the first time he's done that, so it came out pretty good. I compounded it. All right, so when doing my floor, I kind of started out from the drain, then worked my way out. And I wanted my full pieces to be at the top end of the shower pan. And then my cutoffs were on this side, because when you're gonna be walking into the shower, that's what you see, and that's where I want it to be the most beautiful, right? And I don't want to then just end up with 2 cutoff ends on each side. Got pretty tight around the drain. I'm happy with that. Once it gets grouted out, it's gonna be even nicer. So I'm happy with that. One of the huge tools that helps so much is a 12 by 12 inch compounding knife, because you can really get in and pull all those tiles at the same time, and it just squares everything off really nicely for you. So I highly recommend having that with you. But yeah, so here's kind of where we're at, and tomorrow we're gonna start closing all this up, and I'm hoping to get all this done tomorrow. We're gonna be tiling around here. I got a Schluter strip that's a little thicker that's gonna go here, and that's why I put spray foam all around the door, because I really want that door to be cemented in there essentially, you know. I put some big screws through here as well, and there's, you know, your nail holes and everything, but I really want this to be unmovable, because a lot of times your trim is what will kind of hold the door in place to keep it nice and snug. But in this case, we're not gonna have trim from the inside, or we're not gonna have the trim from the outside as well. So this was really helpful to put that foam there. But yeah, tomorrow we're gonna start closing all this up and hopefully get all the tiling done tomorrow and start cleaning up. So stay tuned for that, and I'll post another video tomorrow.